Hello friends. In this class, we are going to discuss example 2 for construction of SLR parsing table. Welcome back here, and this is the second example of construction of SLR parsing table. And this is the diagram, this is the example number 1, and I'm just doing the same example. So the things will become more clear, and you can have a sense of the difference between LR0 parsing table and SLR parsing table. So now I have already designed this LR0 parsing table, and now I'm going to design this SLR parsing table. Okay, so this is a for more formatted diagram. This diagram you can refer in the previous lecture also. So I0 on input small a going to the state I3. So I'll just fill the entry that this is I3. On input B it is going to I4. On input S it is going to the state I1, and on input A, capital A, it is going to the state I2. I1 is a special state, a special provision, and that is nothing but except. I2 on input capital A I5. So I2 on capital A I5. On input small a I3. On input B going to the state I4. I3 on input A looping. I3 on input B I4. On input capital it is going to the state I6. Now comes the reduction part, and let me just assign this few values over here, and that is this. Let me call it as 0, let me call it as 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So now I4 is a state which is consist of A derive B dot, and where we'll put the entry. This is for I4, and we'll put the entry in follow of, where follow of capital A. What is follow of capital A? So capital A, there are two cases are there. One is the last A, which is followed by dollar. Okay, just relax and compute this value dollar. And another is the A followed by capital A, so it is followed by A and B. So A and B. So I computed follow of A, and I find dollar A and B, all the symbol. So I will write R3 in A column because it is in the follow set, R3 in B column follow set, R3 in dollar. Now come to I5, and here it is the production. I5 is S derive A dot, and I'll fill the entry in restricted position, that is follow of S. What is follow of S? Follow of S will be only one symbol, that will be dollar, and A number is 1, so I will write R1 only in dollar column. I6 is the A derive small a capital A dot, and again I'll put this entry in follow of capital A, and which is AB and dollar, and the number here is 2, so I will write here R2. So I'm calculating the follow set, and then I'm filling the entry, and that is your concept of your SLR, or sometimes call it as SLR1 parsing table, because we are looking at look ahead symbol, and this table is SLR parsing table. SLR. Okay, so no multiple entry, and no multiple entry, no conflicting situation is there. So this grammar is also LR0, but as well as also is in SLR. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you.